In this video, I still introduce a very useful application, equation solver, when you have more than one variable in your equation. Yeah, look at this example. For f of x equals x third power minus 2x squared minus ax plus 4, we know P23 is on the graph, then find the A. First of all, remember, if you want to use the equation solver, you have to change into equal 0 form. So you get the x third power minus 2x squared minus ax plus 4 minus y equal to 0. I change f of x into y. Then I put into equation solver. So we go to equation solver. Use the upper arrow. The last one is a equation solver. You will put in x to the third power minus 2x squared minus ax. We will use alpha ax. Then plus 4 minus y. You will use alpha, that's the letter. Then I put enter. We do know that x is 2 and y is 3. So for this A, you will put the 10. Then you do alpha, enter. You will get 0.5. It's very convenient when you have more than one variable in your equation, use equation solver to solve. Basically, equation solver is so powerful for science. For example, in physics, we have this displacement formula. You are given displacement d is 24 meters, time is 3 seconds, acceleration is 2 meters over second square. Then we're looking for the initial velocity. If we want to use equation solver to solve, we will change this formula into equal 0 form. So we will put the d minus vt minus 1/2 at squared equal to 0 into equation solver. We go to this equation solver, then we clear. We need to put alpha d minus alpha v alpha t, then minus 1 divided by 2 alpha a alpha t squared. Then I put the enter. So they will ask you what's the d, that is 24. Velocity is we are looking for, the time is 3. Acceleration, that is 2. Suppose this velocity, I guess, is 10. Then I go to alpha, enter. They will give you the solution to this velocity. We know this is a gas law. P1, V1, T1, P2, T2 is given. We're looking for the value for V2. If we want to use the equation solver, how to solve this? First of all, in your graphing calculator, you cannot have a P1, P2. Therefore, I change P1, V1, T1 into A, B, C. And a PVT, just leave as it is, PVT here. So I will get the A, that's the P1, will be 1.75. B, that's like V1, 30. Say at T1 equals 313. And P at P2 is 1. T at T2 equals 270K. So we're looking for V here. Remember, when you change the original formula into this, make sure get equal to 0 form so that you can put into equation solver. Now let's go to math. Upper arrow, go to this equation solver. So I clear here. So we will get alpha A, alpha B divided by alpha C minus alpha, here is a P, then alpha V divided by alpha T. Then I put enter. They will ask you the variable. You will put A is 1.75. For B, it's 30. For C, that's 313. P is 1. V we are looking for. So this T is 273. Still, I guess the value for this V is 10. Then I go to alpha, enter. They will give you the value for this V.